Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Drama. Today I got an 05 RX 330. Had a crazy problem. It had hard start, drivability issues. Sometimes it just didn't even want to start. Believe it or not, the only codes it has was evap codes, which wouldn't cause that. And it had rich on both sides. Both banks, 1 and 2. I looked at the mileage. I pulled a plug, and the plug themselves actually looked like it was running lean. Now it has a $145 on it. It's been taken care of, but it's it's been serviced, but not totally serviced. Has been taken care of. Now I did the first thing I could think of because of the rich codes and what I saw on the data. The O2s were switching and everything. But I used the good old-fashioned Lucas Seal System cleaner. And I mixed it with gas, 50-50. I got my special little tool, which I already put away. And I fogged it into the throttle body. And it straightened out the idle. And pretty much solved all the drivability problems. So if you ever come across one of these and it's got drivability issues and not really any codes for the drivability and 145 on the clock, I would suggest cleaning the fuel system first before you did anything else. No misfired codes or anything like that, but that actually, cleaning the fuel system, and it was really bad, actually fixed this vehicle. Believe it or not. It's amazing what carbon will do. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Automotive Drama. Stay tuned for more. Likes are nice, subscribes are better. And thanks for tuning in, folks.